The syringe is supplied with a vial holder. The vial holder is also available separately. The packaging includes a guide for easy installation. The intake valve should face upwards. Unscrew the casing nut and insert the vial holder into the groove. Screw the casing nut back on to lock the vial holder body. Connect the tube to the intake valve and remove the bottle lock. Insert the bottle into the lock. Flip the syringe and pierce the septum with the needle. Screw the bottle lock. Put the syringe in an upright position and tightly lock the bottle. Attach an adequate lure lock needle and you're ready to start.